Here we see external power supply. Actually, main priority is the generator 1 and generator 2. If generator 1 and generator 2 are failed, then we use the external power supply if aircraft is on a ground. Okay. If aircraft in a flight mode, then generator 1 and generator 2 is faulty, then APU is used. Okay. Here we see the what is the functions of external power supply. Actually, external power supply is connected to the nose section, nose near to the nose wheel. Okay. The first I connect the external power supply. Here, white light it indicate not in use, and amber light indicate avail condition. Okay. Same way in a cockpit, you see the amber light indicate the avail. Okay, and green light indicate the on. Okay. If you connect the external power supply to the aircraft, then not in use and avail lights on. If I connect the external power supply to the aircraft network, then not in use light is off and green light indicate the external power supply applied to the aircraft electrical network, and avail light is off in a cockpit. Okay, and white light and amber light is placed on a nose section, nose near to the nose wheel. Okay, actually near to the nose wheel external power supply receptacle present. Then I apply the external power supply to the whole aircraft electrical network by using the GPCU. GPCU, generator power control unit. Okay, generator power control unit check the external power supply voltage. If external power supply voltage is the 115 volt ACR 400 frequency with constant frequency, then GPCU is control the EPC, external power contractor. GPCU it protect the aircraft electrical network by using EPC. Okay, EPC is on, then automatically BTC1 bus type contractor and bus type contractor 2 on automatically. Then similarly, external power supplies goes to the AC bus 1 and AC bus 2. You see already AC bus 1 is supplied the AC voltage to the AC essential, AC shade, then AC bus 1 supplied to the DC bus 1 through the TRU, DC back bus charge the battery 1 and battery 2. Then similarly DC back provided DC voltage to the DC essential bus and DC shade bus. Then AC bus to supply the AC voltage to TRU convert DC into AC, and DC voltage goes to the DC bus 1. Okay. Then we see if generator 1, generator 2, APU and external power supply are faulty or not available, then we use emergency generator. Emergency, we see the maintenance bus. Okay. On ground, when only ground services are required, external power can supply the AC and DC ground flight buses directly without supplying the entire aircraft electrical network. Personnel select this configuration with the maintenance bus switch in the forward entrance area. Here we see the demonstration of this configurations. Okay. When I apply the external power supply, okay, then not in use and avail light is on. Okay, and in cockpit avail light is on. When I apply electrical network, external power supply to the aircraft electrical network, then not in use light is off, avail light is on, and in cockpit avail light is off and on light is on. Then I select maintenance bus. Okay, then automatically aircraft AC ground flight on and DC ground flight bus is on.